Hi, lovies. So I would like for you all to unbox with me my new smoothie blender. I'm excited. The fact of the matter is, I open it already. I never know if I close it back to do the video, but this is it. I'm excited. This is from Quartz, guys. I'm excited to use it. I'm excited for everything. I don't know, I need to sort out this camera business because it's hard to really do the videos while holding the camera. Sometimes it not come out the right way. Anyway, so as it said, it's a 20-piece Multipro blender, okay? 20 piece. I don't know about the 20 but features, alright? I'm excited. Lord God, me mash up already. Alright, so what's in the box? What's in the box? Okay. Okay, look, a small one. Okay, so I get two blender thingy. Alright. I really don't know what these look like. Some covers. Maybe if you cover each one of them. I don't know what these are. Maybe if you close it, just the same. This one now have holes in it. I don't know. I guess I'll figure it out. Okay. This is bougie. This is happening. Okay. This is happening. This is so hard to do with the one hand, trust me. Oh boy, Lord Jesus. Okay. Now watch a spoon over this one. What? Alright, so this is all. And in total it should be 20 piece. Brentwood is the brand, right? Brentwood, yeah. Well, I like it. It looks pretty simple and nice. I mean, this is not the next brand is one Nutra Bullet or Nutra whatever the thing is. So we just do like this and do like this and so. Yeah, I like it. And then when you're done, you're supposed to can do like so. Take off this like so and put on this like so. If you're gonna work or if you're ready to drink it right now, you can do something like this. Take off the black piece, obviously. So yeah, I like it.